Good morning everyone, my name is Michael Goitia and today my team and I will be presenting on the engine room. What is a chief engine room? It is the compartment where the marine propulsion machinery is located. Generally, it is the largest physical compartment in the engine room. It houses the ship's main engine. Usually, some variant of heat engine, steam engine, diesel engine, gas turbine, or stick turbine. This design maximizing the ship cargo capacity of place the main engine close to the proper, minimizing equipment. Cost and the problem associated with long shaft line. Next is my colleague Oswaldo Aguilar.
Hello, my name is Osvaldo Aguilar. I will talk you about main components for achieve to function. An engine alone is not enough. An ecosystem of marine is required. My engine. The engine that provides propulsion I can be to stroke diesel engine, large cargo ship, or four-stroke engine. Auxiliary engine generator, responsible for producing electricity at ship is floating city, is nest like air cutting and power from the ground. Shaft and propel, the system that transmits the rotatory motion of the engine and the water. Boiler, producing steam to heat the bowl will usually very viscous and for cooking or eating. Separate purifier, clean the fuel and lubricant all impurity and water. Heat exchange, cool the engine using sweeter open system or fresh water closed system. The engine control console is the brain, is a super and climate controller room from which the engine officer monitor every using screen